Off.
Welcome. Welcome back, everyone. Okay, so this is the 4 hour support,
Yeah.
and here we are, what we currently are, in this level. So what I'm looking for is if this 30-minute candle closes, like I'm gonna wait for the 4 hour candle to close right here, like around this area. So and anticipate the next candle to close below here, and then we take sell to this target, and it's the range about 20 pips.
Okay.
Yeah, but for now, like we need to wait how this 4 hour candle closes, because if this current 30-minute candle closes bullish around this here, that's mean we are looking for a buy to continue going up.
Okay. So you're looking for a candle to close below the support?
Yes.
You won't. Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Because when you look to the 1 hour time frame, it was bullish, and then now it turns to bearish, you see?
Yeah.
And it's going down.
Okay, let's see.
I'm gonna go. I'm gonna come back in a bit, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, so basically I'm looking for a candle closing below this area preferably, and then bring it further down, and let's see if it can come down till this zone, but the first TP is here. I'm looking for sells. If I need to take buys, I would prefer to take them above this area for a weak fill and further. Yeah, but my main bias is for sells today.
So for sells, you're waiting for candle to close?
I'm waiting for the close, and then we are heading towards the 4 hour finish as well, so I think the safer would be to wait for it to close below.
Okay.
But we'll see how the volume plays out. If we see like a N1 in a smaller time frame, because this is based on 30 minutes, but if you see we have a sort of a N1 on a smaller time frame, like 15 minutes breaking through this area, then probably I can do an impulse entry.
Okay, let's see who else on here. Mr. Farhan. Yes, Mr. Farhan.
Yeah, so basically if you see, like right now we are in a range, right? And for sells, I'm looking for a candle to close below this support here around 340, and if a candle closes below this and then it comes and break this wick here, then I will be looking for an impulse entry for sells.
Okay.
So this is something I'm looking in for sells, and same way in for buys, like if the candle wicks up and close above 720,
yeah,
if it closes above 720 and then breaks its own wick in next 15 minute or 30 minute, then I will be looking for this wick fill till here, like till here. That will be the target.
Perfect.
These are the two scenarios. And other thing, like I maybe this weekly is getting rejected from top and going down now.
The weekly?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That can be one possibility.
Yeah, I could see this weekly falling to fill this wick here. Hello, good morning, Mr. Dennis.
It's dropping.
It's coming down. So this line that we have over here, this thin line, it's based on its own current daily candle and the current 4-hour. No, the previous 4-hour. So if it breaks this area here, I'm expecting possibly a pullback, a bullish candle, and then we take it down from there.
See how this 15-minute closes, right?
Yeah.
Should break it.
It's gonna break. It's okay. No FOMO.
Because gold is going up as well.
Yeah. God damn. No one saw this?
Ali's in the washroom.
What's that?
Ali's in the washroom.
Shit, man.
Or GJ, we will still wait for the next candle.
What do you think, Stefan?
Like honestly, like if this 15-minute closes here in
Yeah.
1 minute, and the next one breaks it, I want to enter for a sell.
Okay. For me, I want to see, because right now it broke in a major low, so
Yeah.
we might see like a up pullback retracement, and then take it when it breaks down the low. But I guess, yeah, you could enter when it breaks as soon as the next candle starts. If it makes
So
a wick and comes
Yeah.
down, breaks the low, then
Exactly. Yes, that is something I'm looking.
what's going on? Oh shit.
hello, Forex Frank. Good morning. Look at gold. Yeah, we missed it, unfortunately. I didn't know it was gonna reject from here, go all the way up.
Yeah, the last time we saw it was here, right?
Yeah, it was right there.
Yeah, somewhere. Unexpected.
Let's check the news.
Hello.
Hello,
Yes,
Mr. Ali.
Ali.
Oh, good morning.
Good morning, good morning. We missed gold.
It's breaking, GJ.
Oh yes, but this is like a very confusing sort of a trade.
Yeah,
The way it got rejected and then it went all the way up. So it might reject from here again.
What I want now from GJ, it's respecting this zone, like closing bullish and respecting this zone. Because you know it just broke without lower wick, upper wick. I mean, like
Farhan, did you enter?
No, I did not. Because of this wick here, it didn't go up. Like this 15-minute didn't go up. Like make a wick to the upside.
yeah. No FOMO.
Yeah. So I just stayed back.
Yeah. We just gotta wait now for support to be formed
Yes.
and take it down.
Exactly.
Yesterday, me and Farhan got stuck in such a trade, you know.
What's that?
Yesterday, me and Farhan got stuck in this type of a trade, you know.
Oh, this type of trade?
Very cheap. Yeah. This type
Yeah.
of trade. And the volume just finished all of a sudden.
Shit.
or buyers in one yesterday.
Today seems like a lot of volume in the market.
It just started. Yeah. Sure.
Yeah, as soon as I came.
Hopefully. Yeah. Hopefully, inshallah.
The good luck is here.
Yeah.
It will go to the target in this 15 minutes.
Mr. Franz just watching it. He's like, when is it gonna pull back? The thing is, like, if this closed below, I mean, I don't know, some of you had to close below this support.
Mhm.
An entry, right?
Yeah, I wanted to enter, but the wick was too small on the upper side.
What, this one?
Yeah.
That was not in the part of the analysis.
What?
If the wick is
What?
small, you won't enter. But everyone said if the candle closes below this support, then you're looking for a sell.
Yeah, but that's true. But the way this candle formed and it just broke in the first one less than 30 seconds, that was a little alarming for me. Like, I
Yeah.
just didn't want it to enter because it didn't make an upper wick, and it was a major area which is like a 4-hour, right? If it was like if it was heading towards a 4-hour wick fill, I would have entered, but it just broke the 4-hour. So what I was thinking was that it might just pull back because the 30-minute was still on, right?
Yeah.
So it could have just pulled back and closed within the range. It was only like 6-7 pips up. This area was like only 6 to 7 pips, right? So if we open the 15-minute, yeah, so what I was thinking was that it should have come at least till here or here and then came down and broke it, then I would have definitely entered. But this one started and within first 30 seconds it broke. So then I was worried that it might just pull back all the way up, and the 30-minute closes above this area, so
Mhm.
I just didn't want to risk it.
Very good for not risking it with the biscuit. We're about to get another biscuit right now. Let's look at golds. It took drugs and it went to the moon.
I will be back in a bit, guys.
Wow. Based on the 4-hour? Tell me what this looks like.
I'm not talking anything.
Hmm?
I'm not saying anything.
No?
Because yesterday I said something like, Omar, you leave it, let the other one stop.
Yeah. What do you guys see? Mr. Farhan, Mr. Sean, Mr. Ali.
On,
I think that it
what?
tried to go up, but it couldn't go up, so now it's coming back down again.
Yes, what setup is that?
N2, I don't know.
Nice.
Is it N2?
Yes.
So you guys call it that. Yeah, okay.
Oh, when was this? 2:30.
Yeah, London session. I missed
Good.
Miran is happy.
Yeah. Alright, now we have some sort of a pullback now.
Yeah, looks like it's respecting the support.
Very good.
Look at gold too, probably an N1, 115.
Yeah.
Next 50.
The next 15 is gonna be the 4-hour candles. Gonna maybe wick down to 1805. But on GJ, I would want the next 4-hour to come up to 150, 334, hopefully. Yeah, a good entry would have been, if I seen this, I would have entered when we're broken this blue line or its own daily low.
Can you open the 4-hour? But there's not a bullish candle. Usually we. Okay,
This one.
you're taking this one as a support. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Which is this wick here.
Where I wanted to enter the impulse entry?
Yeah.
That one? Okay.
Because what setup is this?
R1?
Mr. Farhan. No,
Like
it's
how
not.
you're looking at it? Like at 4 hour you are looking?
Yes.
Oh, it's like basically FO. Like it was ranging, right?
Yeah.
And then the 15-minute closed. But I was looking at the same way on 15-minute, right? But it didn't wick up. It was so fast, like it just wicked a little bit and start breaking it down.
Yeah.
Like on 15-minute, and the 15-minute closed with like hardly a wick. So
Yes.
that confused me here. Like I told you I will take it, right? Then I didn't take it because I got confused here.
But like you see how price, as soon as broken this line, it just melted.
Yeah, and Noran, if you go to 1 hour, like on my chart, I had this resistance in the middle where you have this blue line, right? So if you see, like, if you consider that resistance here on the blue line, which is around 520, I guess, yeah, here. So we have a doji candle here. Like, we got a rejection from the top, bullish candle tried to break it, no. Then there's a doji candle for 1 hour, and then this one wicked up, got rejected, and now it was breaking the lower lows, right?
Yeah.
So it was within that range, but it was a good confirmation, like it won't stop now.
Yes.
When it was breaking the lows of the 1 hour, previous 1 hour.
Yeah. You're right.
I thought you were asking like on 4 hour, what is the setup?
Yeah. That's what I'm asking. So basically, we had like a movement to the upside. Price
Yes.
came down, made a support. It went
Support,
up. This no candle tried to close above this resistance.
Yeah.
Right. This one tried. It went all the way up. Rejected from resistance. It came down, closed bearish, below the resistance. So now when price comes down, breaks the support, there's clean traffic to the left. As soon as broken this bullish candle, that's when we get the nice clean move. As soon as broken this blue line, which is, if you look at the 15-minute, that's when it started melting.
Yes. Correct.
So now we're gonna probably wait for the same. This is the 5-minute. I should have gotten in GJ on the break of the last 30-minute candle lows. Let's see, it's 30 minutes. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, but over there, still kind of in the range. I'm saying, like if you enter right here, your
I think
TP
he's,
probably be here. What?
I think he's talking about these 3 candles, bro. I think that's what he's referring to.
Maybe. I don't know. Alright. Well, we just got the 4-hour close. Upper wick.
I was taking sell here.
What?
I'm gonna take a sell when it breaks. It's low. What do you think?
What makes you want to take a sell over there?
Because it's still like, a bearish momentum. In the 4 hour, it create an upper wick. And it should continue going down.
Yeah, it should. But I need... Yeah. It's a nice rejection from the top.
Yes.
I need a bullish candle. it's up to you guys. If you want to enter, you can.
Wow. Very confusing at the moment. Looks nice also.
Yeah, because where are you
It
gonna?
might just drop. It might just drop and then pull back.
Exactly.
Yeah.
True, would have been risky, I guess. Yeah, like you just be more like frustrated,
Because it's just the first 2 minutes, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, barely 2 minutes.
Yeah.
It's coming down. So
Mm.
the wise thing to do is you gotta wait for support to be formed and continue moving down. Because price never could just drop straight unless it was like a major news.
Because I feel it might go till 150.08, and then it might have a rejection from there,
Oh, 08?
as you 08. Yeah, then have a look at the 4 hours. You see that small wick on the left and 08 something.
I don't know. I mean, as soon as it breaks this previous 4-hour candle, it should give us some move. But it could also pull back like within the same minute.
Yeah, that's my point.
Yeah.
When a sell,
See, it went till 08. Hold back.
Because if you see can you open 4 hours? I think it might just get stopped.
Guys, watch out the gold as well.
You open the 15 minutes shit. Well, I might want to enter gold rather than this.
See, what's the range?
What's the range?
It's like 17 pips. It's kind of small for gold.
Enough for us.
Yeah, today the market looks wild, so I'm just gonna sit back and not push the trade until a good opportunity is coming to me. Who's that? Someone stressed.
yeah, someone is stressed.
Yeah, I mean,
Stressing out.
I'm just thinking. There's nothing, for me. There's nothing clear.
Yeah,
Actually.
there's nothing clear.
I'm just thinking, gold doesn't have like very clean ranges, and
Yeah, especially the upside.
Yeah, after like 8, 15, 18, 15, it's nice.
It would be nice if we get gold to come down and just break the support here.
Yeah.
That's what I'm looking for.
Yeah, this is gonna be better at 1806, right?
Yeah, because I feel like a lot of people taking buys here. And you just, as soon as it ranges, right, it breaks out, goes all the way down. Wow, retrace this whole move.
Nor why are you looking for a sell in gold?
I don't know, just based on like the higher time frames, it's approaching like resistance. Also,
Based on the higher time frames, based on all of the time frames, it's in bullish trend.
yes,
And the next resistance is like 50 pips away as per my analysis.
50
I
pips.
think Yep.
Where's your resistance?
1813, 1813, 14 region.
So this is the weekly. Like this is my resistance right here on the daily, which is 1811. There's about like 20 pip range, which is okay. Like you could still probably get like 5-10 pips, but
Yeah, but
like price moved up, made a support, and this one, this candle closed above this resistance, so this should continue moving up. But what I have seen from the past is that this could be a fake out, this 4-hour close above this resistance, so this could come back heavy into the range, just like something like this.
Yeah.
Because
because Shan, because you see, after 1815 we have got good clean candles.
Yeah.
1815. Yeah, I was discussing this with Umar yesterday, and as long as it it stays above 1795, I think it's in the uptrend.
Yeah, so it has to go down a little, in order for it to go, test 1815. Once you touch the 1815 areas, then you have got really good, nice buys, comfortable buys.
Yeah.
1850, 1550,
Yeah, but as Noran says that we trade on what we see, and what we are seeing is that all of the candles are in bullish trend. That's like my main point, that my bias is like in buys.
Yes.
I would rather get into a buy when it comes anywhere down. I would consider that more safe instead of going into a sell.
Yeah.
Sorry?
Very wild trader, Mr. Sean SK, silent killer,
aggressive.
Yeah, I mean, I was quiet all this time. The only thing that got my attention was when he said I would like to take a buy when it comes down.
He used to do that.
He still doesn't. What do you mean he used to?
Yes.
I haven't done it in a while. Come on.
Yeah, that's true. He hasn't.
Discipline.
Have a look at the 15 minutes from gold. It closes like this, in the same manner.
Yeah.
And the next one
R1.
Then it's gonna be it's gonna be a nice setup, Then we have the range till 1804, easy, I've already broken the previous 15. If you have a look at it.
Yeah.
So what I would like is that it closes something like this at the moment what it's doing.
Man, we're crazy. We're looking for cells all the way at the top. Yeah.
No, because it's ranging there.
No, for sure. It makes sense.
Yeah, it does.
It just doesn't make sense for like other people.
Yeah.
For new traders. They're probably like, okay, price moved up. It's making the support to continue moving up, but the support is very small. Like if it's even a support right now, it's not. Two bearish candles. Unless if this closes bullish here, nice healthy candle bullish, then it's making a support to go up, but the range is small. So let me see if I could find another example based on the 15. Okay, we see this one right here. So you see this, Mr. Sean?
Yes.
You see price went up, consolidated, it broke above.
Mm-hmm.
It tried to make a support, but there's no support to be formed, so it just came down, broke the previous low, and it melted from there and retraced
I'm out of GG.
the whole move.
I'm out.
Yes. Yep. You're right, but that's like in the larger time frame. Like, where was your line?
On the larger time frame,
Yep. It's still inside like that weekly zone. Like that's.
this one here. I don't know. This was on the 15-minute.
Yep. So, just change the color so like you know where this line is, or it's at 1789. Now check daily. And I can't understand what it is.
It would be here.
Where are the previous charts, previous lines, candles for the daily? Can you like narrow it down? It's too wide, I guess. So it's still in that. It was still in that zone. It has that why it was like moving up and down within that larger zone.
Mm-hmm.
But yesterday it broke out of that zone. So unless like it goes back into that zone, which is below 1795.
1795.
Yep.
17.
Check weekly, maybe it will be easier.
I don't even know which one it is anymore.
Yeah, exactly. Yep.
It's just gone. That's okay. We're just gonna have to wait and see.
Yeah. But yep, below 1806 we can get into a sell.
Yes,
Like for today.
for sure. Like we're not gonna look for sells up here. Like okay, you know what? Let's take a sell. Like we're gonna have to wait for price to come down, right? Like at least so show some sort of like a support being broken, right? To continue down to the next support. It wouldn't be wise just thinking about sells right here because it could be making a support to continue further up, right?
So that's
But we
how
just
use
say,
it.
yeah, we just say that there's possibility for sells because we have seen this type of movement, you know, consolidation, break above, especially on gold, makes like a fake out, come down to the support and go even further to retrace this move.
I think we have news at 10 as well or something.
I don't think so. What's today, Wednesday?
New home sales. Okay, so it's not important, yeah.
Yeah, it's not important. How many pips did you secure now off?
5 pips.
So you were stressed?
To be honest, yeah, man, it was taking too long. It
Yeah.
was taking too long, and
Why do you think we haven't? Why do you think we didn't enter?
But why were you even stressed if you were in profit?
Because it was taking too long.
I want more. No? I want more, man.
But good job. I mean, at least you came out, didn't wait for more.
Yes. You know, I got something at least.
So no, if you think that's a proper way to enter a trade, would you do this again? Basically,
No, I wouldn't do it.
what would you have done differently?
What I would have done differently is this: waiting for a support to be formed.
Very nice. We can see some
He's putting
progress.
Your words.
Yeah. That's good. At least he's not trying to piss me off and block me from the stream.
Oh man.
gold is coming up.
Yeah, it is.
So tomorrow I might not be on here because I have got like my desk, so I'm trying to set it up. So it might take
Set
like
it up in the afternoon.
yeah, no, but like I'm painting like this room in my house, and like just I'm making like a studio basically. Yeah. So I'm just gonna be like renovating all day.
Today?
Yeah.
We will miss you, bro.
Yeah.
I'm sure you'll be okay by tomorrow.
Hopefully.
I'm through your phone.
If I could get like a good signal on like for internet to that room, then that'll be perfect. I'm also gonna try to get a wire.
Yeah.
Which desk did you get, Noran?
Which desk?
Yeah.
We'll talk about that after the stream.
Sure.
Yes. Very nice. Cheap. I won't say cheap. No, it's not cheap. But it's more affordable than the desk
Yeah,
now.
we want to change mine as well. So yeah.
Oh, you want to change yours as well? I have a good option for you. Maybe you like it, but we'll see.
As long as it's not white.
No, it's not white. There is option in white. So if you do get this 15 minutes candle to close here, just close below the support. By 9:30 we get the 30 minutes wick up, tap into this resistance, come down. I would like to go for a sell. What do you think, Mr. Ali?
Yeah, we should wait at least 15 minutes. Either we miss the move or something. But oh yeah.
So yeah. So you're looking for this one to close
Below.
Yeah.
this one, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, I know.
And then make an upper weekend,
Yes. And say goodbye. Say goodbye. How many more minutes? We have 8 more minutes for this candle to close, so I'm gonna go get me some iced coffee and be right back. Okay, 6 more minutes. Five more minutes. Let's go.
Yeah.
DJ is going back up. Yes, it is. Perfect.
Yeah, and GJ is good.
Yeah, on DJ is good.
Yes.
It's good we didn't enter on the break of this
Yeah.
previous 4 hour.
When no off entered.
Yeah.
Could it be gold is giving us some time?
Maybe we enter on the 15-minute break or 18:06.
Yeah, we just need this to close below.
Yeah.
And possibly the break of the current. If we get a wake up.
Yeah. So we might not. Let's see. Get a wake up. Okay. If we don't get a wake up.
Yeah, if also could someone look at GJ too.
I will look at GG.
Okay.
So, if this one closes without a wick, then we need an upper wick.
Yeah.
Otherwise, no.
I was just saying good things about gold, that like it was waiting for us. Not any longer. Come on, pull back up. Pull more. More.
Mm.
Just the right amount, not anymore.
We need to wait for a wake up, right?
Ooh, wow.
Who's gonna sell?
I didn't even see that. There was no wick.
Oh, I missed it.
There's no wick on MT5.
Yeah.
So yeah, there is no wake, even in trading view. So we are waiting for the wake up, right?
Yeah.
No, we
But it's kind of late now.
missed the move.
Yeah.
Are you in? Came back to the entry.
Even GJ did the same thing.
Didn't you give it a second chance as gold or no?
We haven't given the first yet.
Yeah, we didn't even give it a first.
Yeah, man. Because look at this 30 minutes. It's going up, but the problem is no upper wick, which is very dangerous. I think I'm gonna wait for GG. You know, wow, what a rejection in gold.
I saw tweezer tops on gold 30-minute chart and shorted for quick profits. Nice. Very well. Tweezer tops works. You just confuse Mr. Noaf now. He's gonna be like, what? I'm gonna look for this all the time. Yeah, this 30-minute, if this came up and tapped to the resistance, then we holy just drop. It's gone.
I didn't place my bias. Instead of
Oh, look at TJ2, man, flying.
It's flying. Oh. Let's look at gold. The gold is interesting right now.
we should have entered on the retracement, you know.
Yeah, I thought what I was like, you know, same, but it's the same thing. Like no upper wick, which is sucks.
Do you see, Mr. Sean? The price is coming down now.
Yep.
But we couldn't get the move. We tried, but we just can't. Mr. Dennis, we are sleeping on the trade. Not really. Like for GJ here, we can't take buys. That's number one. We actually prevented a loss right here, where Mr. Nawaf took his trade. On gold, we were looking for a sell, but price didn't wake up, so wow. Where's the Fibonacci, guys? Fibonacci cannot tell you this.
Yeah, can't hold this trade.
Beautiful N2, man. We should have entered as soon as it closed bearish. Not even wait for upper wick. That's okay. That's how we learn.
No, but the thing is, it opened at the. Now, Ron, what did I tell you yesterday when I was back testing that it doesn't make upper wicks when it gives you N2?
Yeah, but that was the current candle, right?
The current candle, right? That's what you were waiting for, right?
Yeah.
I mean, basically the N2 candle. It's always the big candle and gives you without a wick.
Yes. I mean, like this.
It already
Yeah, go ahead.
had a wick, on the 50, the previous 50.
This one.
Stop loss. Yeah. And then volume time came, and it just dropped.
Like I just didn't expect gold to open here, like already on there. As soon as the next 15 minutes started, it was there, like breaking the lows. It started just broken the low already. You guys saw that, right?
I expect, personally, I expected it would make a wick on the body of the previous 15 minutes.
Yeah.
And then drop all of a sudden.
Yeah, I was waiting for that too. But next time, how could we have taken this trade?
It's a risky one, man. But it's a risky in a way that Okay, I'm not talking about the without the wick. I'm talking about the fact. Yeah, wick is there too. That's very important factor. Secondly, this one closed already down, breaking the previous 15. So it was very confusing. And the GG was more confusing. If you see the 15 minutes, there was no upper wick. None of the candles have the wick.
Yeah.
30, yeah.
But also the fact that this candle closed the last 5 minutes below the support. Let's see.
Next time we can just put a stop loss on a 15 minutes on top of the 15 minute wick and expect the volume to bring it down.
Yeah, for sure.
Did you open the 30 minute on gold? Yeah.
Look at the 5 minute. Yeah. One of the reasons why I didn't enter when it breaks this the previous 15, it's because I was waiting for this bullish candle to break as well, which is this the lowest low of this bullish candle is the 30 minute.
It's okay.
Yeah, because if it didn't break this, right, and it just broke in the 15, there would have been a higher chance to just continue moving up because it respected the 30, right, and make an N1 basically to continue moving up.
Yeah. From here onward, this 1 hour. This 1 hour broke the previous 1 hour.
And GJ here, we're gonna see where this 15 minutes candle is gonna close. We have about 4 minutes. It will be best if it respects this resistance and close below.
Yeah.
So viewers on YouTube, let us know where you're from, what you're looking at right now.
I just saw an N1 somewhere.
Oh yeah, 5 minutes. Mr. Dennis, Long Island, New York. Oh shit. That's expensive. Apparently in New York, if you're like a student and you want like a rent a place, you would have to be making like 100 times. I don't know how it works, but it was fucked. It was wild. Basically, you need to make at least like 100K to afford to rent a small apartment with 1 bedroom. And if you can't make that, then your parents have to vouch for you or some shit like that.
A lot different than Mississauga or Toronto.
No, it's. I mean, Toronto's already wild, but in New York, it's like 10 times more worse. Because their condos and like houses is very small, and it's a very populated area. I just don't understand in Toronto they're coming up with all these like skyscrapers, big buildings, but there's like the streets are like barely 2 cars that could drive like on each side of the lane. It's very expensive. Yeah, I'm sure. I think it's more expensive than Dubai. Don't ever move to New York. Nah, I'll never move to New York. I'll just go see it for like a few days. My vibe is California. Go to the West Coast. So this 15 minutes candle closed above. It didn't respect this resistance. But if this comes down, breaks this low here, there's a chance it's gonna continue moving down.
Just to retest the low.
Mr. Eden, it's like Panama, high buildings, small streets. Yeah, facts. You know when Rakil looks at the charts, he's like super zoomed in. Like this. It's better, right?
Yeah. Keep you focused.
It's very expensive in Cali too. Yeah, but it's not crowded, you know? Probably is. I've never been there, but I think they have probably bigger roads, like streets, wider, less population. Omar been to California. He'll tell you.
Yeah, a few times. It's nice.
Yeah, nice weather.
Oh, you love it. You will love it.
It's probably hot as fuck.
Winter, I know, like let's say I went in December. There was like daytime is like 19, 22, between 19, 20 and 25
What?
in the daytime.
In December?
Yeah,
Man, that's nice.
that's what I'm saying. Nighttime it goes down to like 5, 6.
Wow.
And summers it's not as hot as it is here in Toronto.
It's not humid.
It's not humid, yes.
Forex Frank. Yeah, I'm from Southern California. And get the hell out a long time ago. Dude, it's a madhouse. Why? But see, like, wherever you live, everyone would always complain. Like, we live in Toronto, we complain. Mr. Nawaf probably complains about where he lives.
No, I don't. It's good out here.
Yeah, why did I know? How come did I know you would not disagree? How do I know that you like Saudi Arabia?
Best.
Less people, right?
With people, yes. Jeddah city, it's not as big as Toronto. Toronto is big, bro.
Really?
Yeah, it's a big city. With so many population.
But you know,
And we don't have metro, you know, and it is busy. But in Canada, you have metro, and
mhm.
it's busy. In the street, busy. When you go to the highway in rush hour, it's busy. Huh? It's pretty big.
But you know, Saudi Arabia could be bigger.
Yeah, that's what the Crown Prince wants
Yeah.
in a long run. He wants more people to come in.
Panama, it's hardly going under 28 Celsius. Wow. Can bake my eggs outside of my roof. Amazing. You don't need a stove.
Yeah, how hot is it out there?
In Panama,
Panama, yes.
Look at the rejection on goal, man.
wow.
30 minutes. Look at the 30 minutes.
Right from support. So now if it comes up, breaks this high, it's definitely going up.
Oh yeah.
Move to Florida. It's cheap living.
And I can't stab someone with that candle. It's like a sword.
Big houses for cheap. The only thing is that the weather sucks. That's exactly why I don't want to go to Florida. Because it's raining. It's depressing. So, no. The only place I would live in the US is either California or Arizona. Because they have the longest day. And the most sunlight, I think. I'm in GA now and own a house in Florida too. Love it there, but humidity is no fun.
Where does he live?
Hmm?
Where does he live?
In Georgetown? No, what Georgetown? Georgia. He's in Georgia now, but he has a house in Florida.
I'm sure as soon as you said the word Georgetown, Farhan's ears popped out.
He's like,
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
Because every time we meet Farhan, he has to either go to Georgetown or going,
"What?"
or has just come from Georgetown or
I
something
know.
like that.
That is true.
Canada is way too fucking cold. It's too cold, man. It's getting cold right now.
I'll be back in a bit. Hold on.
I'm getting allergies, I think. Or COVID, or I don't know what the fuck. Yeah, the weather be like 105 degrees in Arizona. But it's not humid, I believe. They say it's like dry. 6 more minutes till we see where this 30 minutes candle is gonna close, either below the support or above. New York weather is nice. Yes, it is. Dry heat. Yeah, if Arizona has dry heat, I'm okay with it. Better than humid. I have a family in Glendale, Arizona. Imagine your AC breaking in the summer in Arizona and you'll have a heat stroke. Can't be this hot. It can't be. But the thing is, with dry heat, you could stand in the shade and you could cool down. Versus humid, you're just sweating. Wherever you go, like under shade, in the balcony, you still like sweating the moment you step out of the door. You got a swamp cooler. What the fuck is that? Oh, swamp cooler. That shit looks massive, man. See, I think we had something like this before. Back in the day, this is what we used to have. Did you guys ever had this, Mr. Ali? I know you guys have this in Pakistan. Where is it? Like this one here.
Oh yes.
Man, this shit was fire, man. This is the real AC.
Yeah,
No, this one is like a water cooler, right? And it's like
this is a water cooler.
that's a water cooler, and it creates a lot of humidity at the same time.
This one?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, it's good in when there's no humidity. Then it's really nice.
Oh,
If
yes.
once it becomes humid, then it's just like a heater.
Yeah, but you know what we used to do? We used to put cold water.
Yeah, it's true. But it doesn't work here. Like it becomes so humid.
Hmm. Oh, it's a humid in Pakistan.
Yeah, it becomes very humid after in July. Right in July, August, it's really humid. September, it becomes pleasant then.
In September, okay.
Yeah. Like after monsoon, it becomes.
I miss those, man. Like the air that it gives out is very strong.
Yeah.
It's massive. That's like AC from school. Yes. They aren't for humid climates. Oh, those big things. I wonder if they stopped making this. What, $1,000? Is that how much it cost?
No, it's very expensive.
It's
Yeah.
very expensive. But it must be costing around $100, I think. Yeah.
$400.
Max. Yeah, $100. Yeah, at max.
That's not that bad.
Yeah,
Versus here, 900.
yeah. Like you, it's very good and effective in from I think from May, from April to June. It's really good. Then after June, you can't.
Yeah. It becomes too humid.
Yeah. In September again, you can use it once the
Yes.
humidity finishes. So by when it's humid, the AC really works nice in Pakistan.
Yeah. Is the AC that you guys have, like, you have two separate ones, right? One is outside and one is inside.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's it has a unit outside and it has an inner unit as well.
Yeah. Those are wild.
Yeah.
Shit is strong.
Yeah.
It's nothing like the AC here in Canada.
Yeah. Okay, we can.
Why not buy Airco? What is Airco? Or is that like an AC? So now we have to be careful because this previous 15 minutes candle closed back into this range. So now it could either be making a support to continue moving up. But how do we know that? We can know that if this candle respects the support. So if it closes right there, there's a higher chance it's going to continue. But if it closes below, then it should continue moving down to go for retracement.
Oh, look at gold's coming up.
Oh, it just broke the previous 30.
Yeah.
Damn. Big stops. 30,
Yeah.
40.
Okay, I think I'm gonna get it. Okay, if it breaks it.
It's only been 2 minutes, goddamn. Where's your stop gonna be, over below the current 15?
Yeah, that's the wise move, I think.
GJ is breaking as well. Both are doing it, I guess.
But GJ still have time for 30 to break. Does it break? Did it break the 30?
No. Oh, on gold? I don't know.
I think it did.
Yeah, it just did now.
Did it?
On the MT5 it did.
Okay, I mean, it did and it did.
Yeah, if GG is coming down, gold should continue moving up. I'm probably gonna enter sells on GJ instead of gold. Oh wow.
Are you gonna sell?
Did you break the 30?
Yeah, I broke the previous 30.
Who's gonna sell?
I'm gonna sell now. Let's see.
Yeah.
$15 pip stop. Omar, you're in the gold buys or no?
Yeah, I came out when it came the second time. I wasn't really comfortable about it.
Good that you came out.
I was lucky it gave me a chance.
No candle close. Yeah, on GJ no candle closed, but so far I've broken this 15, the previous 15, and the 30 minutes. So it's a big deal, I would say. Now I want to see how this 5-minute candle is gonna close. If we do get the next 5 minutes to come up and break this high, I'm gonna cut my position in half and just wait for it to come back into the original entry and add more. Gold I meant, but never mind. Oh. If you have a big rejection like this on the 30-minute with a big wick closing above the support, then it should continue moving up, like for an impulse entry. Okay, let's see.
And go back into the zone.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna come up from the whole trade.
You can see, look at it. It comes down again, then
Yeah, for sure.
higher
Let's
chance.
just
Because,
wait for the 15 minutes close.
yeah.
Yeah, I'm out now. No problem.
It might be a 30 minutes rejection also, you know.
Yeah.
So it comes down again. It's gonna be better.
Oh yes. If it comes back down to my original entry,
Yeah.
that's when I'm gonna
Yeah.
slap it up. Now, some of you might say, "Oh, you had your stop loss above this previous 15 minutes or the current 15-minute candle. Why did you bring it down?" Because I want to make sure I'm gonna lose what I have to lose and try to lose even less than my initial loss. So if I'm aiming to lose 1%, I'm gonna try to lose 0.5%. Because one point, I don't want to be in the trade for long. Second point is, if it comes back to the original entry, just give another chance and cover your loss and even more. How's gold doing?
It's just rejecting the face.
Yeah. So we have 8 seconds now. This 15 minutes candle is closing below. Let's see a tab over here. So we have a wick established. This candle's pulling up to resistance. If it breaks this previous high, sells are invalid. So sells right now, it's invalid. So who entered this GG trade with me?
I did.
Oh, why are you quiet?
I was focused.
You're still in the trade?
No, I'm out.
Okay.
I'm out.
No, I didn't.
Farhan messaged, I did.
I hope he
I
came
didn't
up.
because I was in the gold trade, so
Yeah.
Did you secure them?
no, I
gold.
just closed it on like probably 1 pip loss or something. Because when it came up the second time, it was pushing, but it just didn't push. Because I think it picked my order by the buy stop, right? So it picked up a little late over the area to the spread. So when it came back the second time, I closed it. But I closed it in negative, like 1-2 pips or something.
Today wasn't like, the movement wasn't good overall.
Yeah.
That is why, I just,
That happens.
yeah, it happened. We could see, the movement is not good overall.
Exactly.
And, so I just, after that gold move, I didn't want to take any trade.
Yeah, it went up, came down, it went up,
Yeah,
came
because
down.
we had planned that one. So after that, nothing was making sense actually.
Yes. Yeah, on GJ here, it's possible for it to range.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even yesterday it started ranging, you know, at this time. It's the end of the month also.
Buy stop, sell stop on a gold is a very bad thing.
It does work, but the market is not good. You see,
And it's
after 15, you know, after 15, 19, 15, you start putting buy stops.
The thing is with like when you say you put like a buy stop with gold, like as soon as it breaks the wick, it's not gonna just move up and like hit it. It's gonna go like wow. Like when it does that, it would drag your position. I seen it. Like my position was here, and when it hit, the next candle opened, I seen my stop move. Like a big move, you know, like it drags it. It's like what the fuck?
This is a very dirty area in gold, you know.
Yeah.
So after 19, 15, 50, you know, you've got those buy stops move coming. It's the end of the month also, you know.
That's true.
So they'll try to grab their profits and
Now what the fuck is DJ doing? Hideous. So yeah.
if this next candle comes up, wicks up, breaks the low, you want to enter?
Yeah.
Is that what you were saying?
Yeah.
Okay. Back in a second, guys.
Okay.
or if we
What is this? A meth addict from Australia dressed up as a cop, faked a drug bust, and the search for more meth. This is jokes.
Oh man.
Savage.
That's a nice trick.
Yeah. Looks bullish on the 30 minutes. Just look.
Mm,
It looks bullish on the 30 minute.
mm, no. If we go for the 15 minutes wick,
Sorry, what's that?
if we go for this 15 minutes wick fill, right?
This one here?
Yeah, like if we take it on 320 or something, right? Looking at the other wick over there, and then expect the wick fill and a fall.
Yeah, I'm expecting a wick fill and a break to fill this range here.
Because you see, I might enter on 320.
Okay.
Expect the wick fill, and then further, take it down. Only if we have volume,
Yes.
it can expect it to go till. Mhm. Let's see.
Let's see. Let's see or let's see.
Yeah, because then you have a stop loss on this.
Yeah, it's all about this 15 minutes candle close. If
Yeah.
it closes above these candles here, there's a chance of going up.
Yeah, then I won't go for it.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it's a either way it's a risk. Even if you wait for the wick break,
Exactly.
So this would lessen my stop loss.
Yeah.
Feel and till like the wick fill, I can cut half my position and then further there.
Yes. Just gotta wait.
And I hope it stops without a wick
Yeah.
on the top.
I hope so.
Yeah. Should go about 4-3 if it's big,
Yeah, it seems like it's not gonna come back down.
If it closes without a wick,
If it close without a wick?
yeah, on the top. But no, I think it's gonna go.
Yeah.
So now there is no trade. It's gonna break the previous hour,
Yeah, left a wick on top.
Yeah. Not a very convincing wick, but it has a wick.
Yeah.
Because on 4-8, I think it's gonna be the break for previous 1 hour.
Yeah, it would move up till here. 150, 518. let's see how this is the last 15 minutes that we're gonna stay live.
Yeah.
So if it's gonna come up, tap into this area here. There's nothing. We're gonna call it a day. But if it stays over here and comes back down, there's still a chance for sells maybe.
Yeah.
We'll see. Last 15 minutes, chance. Otherwise, we're not gonna push any more trades. We're gonna come back tomorrow, slap the shit up, slap gold. That's it.
It's just,
This is how the markets makes the money back.
yeah. Oh. My spread went to 0.
Oh yeah?
Good. Yeah.
Shit. That's amazing. Mr. Ali, have you made a withdrawals from your broker?
Yeah.
Okay. So how's the payments? Like, is it smooth? Like, or did it give
Yeah,
you
yeah.
headache?
Yeah. I have a local withdrawal like within 24 hours to withdraw. Like
Oh, shit.
usually they just take 2 hours. Yeah.
Shit.
I just yeah. It just comes into my bank account. It's a bit, if the dollar is like 165 to rupee, they for withdrawal they'll charge me 162, 163.
65. 162. Okay.
Yeah. So that's fair enough, but they're good at withdrawals and
As long as you don't have problems, then.
No. I haven't. I've been with them for 1 year, I think. 1 year
Shit.
plus. Yeah. So I don't have any problems with them.
Very good. Very good. So now,
They're very,
yeah. They're
no,
very.
please,
They're very what?
quite responsive.
Oh, responsive. Okay. They want to
Yeah,
grow.
Yeah.
Okay. So right now on GJ, it's broken this 1 hour high. At this point right now, there's no sells whatsoever. We cannot look for sells. We cannot look for buy because price basically broke out of the range and it went back into this range. So the only buys I'll be looking for is possibly above 150, 645. Look for support to be formed in this area, and if the volume is right, then we could take it up. On gold is ranging right now, so there's no trades. My best advice is do not take any more trades today. Tomorrow we will kill this. Everyone on YouTube, goodbye. See you guys tomorrow, hopefully.
Bye-bye.
Yes.
Everybody on YouTube. Goodbye.